DC360 has a built-in cloud storage service. Head to the Profile tab and click on My Cloud Storage. Here you are able to upload new files, create new folders, search files and folders, and then see your folders and files. Clicking on Files, you are able to see the file name, extension, size, and the time it was last modified, as well as a download link. The file icons are automatically selected based on the file extension. Hovering over the three dots allows you to change the title, description, move to a different folder, or upload the file. You are able to share the file with others and allow them to download it, or on the other hand, stop them from doing so. You can also delete the file for good.